Up next we have door number 7, which is not so easy to take out. I think this is the first time that I have an eye product with SPF. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar. It is this beautiful Advent Calendar that I have here, and the price for this one is 110 euros. We have 25 products, and in this one we have best sellers and also new products, which is very exciting. As we can see, we have a reusable packaging, which I love. However, it's not so practical to open it because the magnet is on the bottom part of the box. They claim that the total value is 295 euros, which is almost 3 times what I have paid. We're going to check that at the end of this video and also give some stars. Last year I didn't like the Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar so much, and I'm really hoping that this year we're gonna have something better. Cross your fingers. Before we start, share this video with a friend that likes Advent calendars and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. Let's open this beautiful box, and this is the magnet. This is how it looks. Super gorgeous. Let's see, the first product is this one here. Ooh, this is a full size. Ooh. This one contains vitamins C and E, and it is the Ultra Glow Serum to glow and strengthen. We have seen also in the Sephora collection Advent Calendar that Sephora now has skincare products, and this one here contains 97 natural ingredients, which is very good. Ooh, it's so pretty. Very nice packaging. You can use this on sensitive skin, so I can use it. Door number 2 is this one here, and we have a product by Natasha Denona, and this is the Super Glow Extreme Shine Crystal Highlighting Powder, and this one is in the shade 2 Light Medium. I don't have a lot of products by Natasha Denona. Maybe this is the first one. We have very nice soft edges, but it feels a little bit lighter for a brand like this one. Also, the packaging is a little bit plasticky. This is the glorious color that we have. This is a very pretty shade for my skin tone, but I don't think that it can work so well for deeper complexions. You can see that you can fit a lot of lipsticks in this drawer. I'm just giving you ideas for this box. Door number 3. Dun, dun, dun. It's here. We have here the Merci Handy Hand Cleansing Gel, and this is a full size because I have used it again. This one contains aloe vera and it is vegan. It says that it is the Magic Diamond, a sparkling scent with magic vanilla powder extracts. It smells very nice. Let's continue with door number 4. And we have here a product by Too Faced. This one is the Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. This is in Translucent Peach Whisper. We have 3.5 grams of product. So I'm guessing that this is a mini size, not a sample. It is super pretty. I'm very curious to see if it has a peach scent. Yes, it is very light and I think not so artificial. And let's find box number 5. Oh, it's a smaller one. The next product is by Marc Jacobs, and we have the Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. I love the lip glosses by Marc Jacobs. I have never tried a mascara, and we have a mini size here. So let's see the applicator. Ooh, I can use this. We have a black mascara here, and in the corner we have the drawer for product number 6, and we have here a tiny product by Pixi. This is a Retinol Tonic Smoothing Toner. I have used some other toners by Pixi and I like them, so I'm very curious to see how this one is gonna work for my dry and sensitive skin. Oh, it smells very nice. It is like lavender. Maybe we have a lavender extract. It doesn't say something on the packaging, so you can use daily after cleansing. I have also done a full review of the Milky collection that they have. I'm gonna link the video in the description box below. Up next we have door number 7, which is not so easy to take out. In this one we have the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. So this is by Tarte, and I think this is one of the latest products that they have. On one side we have a twistable black eye pencil, and on the other we have a felt tip applicator for a black eyeliner. This is definitely a full size, which is exciting. And also let me know in the comments what other videos you would like to see on my channel, maybe using the advent calendars or something different, maybe skincare or clothing hauls. Door number 8. Okay, it's here, and it is a product by Laneige. This one here is a water sleeping mask. It is a sleeping care. It has lavender, and we have a mini size. And this is an overnight treatment, and you can rinse it off in the morning. I'm very curious to use it. And last year we had another product by Laneige. I think it was a night cream, and I actually liked that a lot. Oh, it smells nice. Where are you, 9? Moving on to the door number 9. Ta-da! We have here the Christoph Robin Aloe Vera Express Mask. This one is a hydrating melting mask with aloe vera, and you can use it on your hair. Definitely I'm gonna try this one as well because my hair are super dry. We have 75 milliliters, and this one contains 97% natural ingredients. Let's continue with drawer number 10. Oops. I almost dropped all of the advent calendar. In this one we have a product by Sephora. This is a cream lip shine in the shade 3 Mauve Spirit. So we have never seen this product in the other Sephora advent calendars. Maybe it is one of the new products. Who knows? So, oh my god, it's so tight. So we have a doe foot applicator and a beautiful mauvish color. This one has a very light sweet chemical scent. And here we have drawer 11. Also a product by the brand Respire, and this is a shampoo bar for all hair types. It has 94% natural ingredients, and it is made in France. Oh my god, it smells very nice. I have never used a shampoo bar for my hair, so I really want to see how it looks. Now it doesn't smell so nice, but I will have to use it. And after that, let's see product number 12. By the way, the drawers are very deceiving. They are huge in comparison with the products. And we have here the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. I'm back. I brought the brow setter that we got in the Benefit advent calendar because I was very confused. I knew that I have seen the product before, but they have a different packaging. This one is from the Sephora Favorites. This product is actually a clear brow gel, so everyone can use it. That's very nice. 13. Ah, here it is. So drawer number 13, and we have here another mascara, this time by the brand Milky Makeup, and we have the Kush mascara or Cash. This one is a mini size. Ooh, we have a fluffier applicator. I'm guessing that this one is giving volume. I have no idea. 14 is a bigger drawer, and this is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types, and this one is rich in amino acids. It can gently cleanse face and eyes. On the packaging it says that it can remove makeup as well and the mascara, so I'm very happy about that. That's very nice because I was trying to find a product that I could use with my makeup remover pads by Essence that are reusable and rewashable. And next, 15 is nowhere to be found. Oh, it is in the corner, and we have here the Herborian Korean Skin Therapy CC Eye. This one also contains SPF 20. I think this is the first time that I have an eye product with SPF. This one is definitely a sample. It is very small. We have just 3 milliliters of product, and I'm not feeling that it is fully packed. So I'm curious to see if it has any color. And oops, oh my god, I'm losing product. Oh, it's very interesting. It is a little bit thicker. Oh my god, what is happening? It is changing color. On the packaging, it says Claire, so I'm guessing you can find these in other colors as well. I'm a little bit disappointed that we have a sample because the unboxing was going so well. Door number 16. This one is the Nude Stix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and we have it in the shade Varnish. It looks like a full size magnetic. This is the color that we have. It is super pretty for a Christmas eye look, and it is very soft. It has a very nice color payoff, and also it is very blendable. Drawer number 17 has a product by the brand Ren Clean Skincare, and it says clean to skin, clean to planet. We have 100 milliliters. I'm guessing that this is a full size. The bottle is made from 100 post-consumer recycled plastic, which is fantastic. And oh my god, I'm a poet and I don't know it. This product is for all skin types and you can use it on clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Maybe we have something like an eye pencil? Nope. And we have here the Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream. It is a 100 natural balm with honey and olive oil to hydrate and nourish your lips, face and body. Oh, it smells fishy. I'm gonna take some with my spatula. Ooh, it is very creamy. It is very spreadable. I didn't even apply all the product that I have on my spatula. On the skin, it doesn't have that fishy scent. Actually, it doesn't smell at all. It's not very sticky, but it is a little bit thicker because it is a balm. Product 19. It is a small one and it is by the brand Origins. We have here the Ginseng Ultra Hydrating Energy Boosting Cream, and we have 15 milliliters. This is a mini size, maybe a sample. You can apply this day and night. I have no idea what it does and if it has SPF or what are the ingredients. So let's just sniff it. It smells nice. It has like a scent of orange. It reminds me of orange cake. Let's see door number 20. We have a product by the brand Badescu Skincare, and this is a facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. Okay, so you can use this. Oops, what happened with my hair? With this one you can give a hydrating boost on your skin. This is for all skin types and I think we have a full size here. It is cruelty free and paraben free. It doesn't have the finest mist. Door number 21 is a pretty big one and we have something like a sheet mask. Give me the product. Spill it out. This is by the brand Patchology and this is in chill mode. We have here the soothing cannabis seed oil infused eye gels. It says it is for soothing, smoothing and looking like a smoke show. No smoking required. What? Let's continue with drawer number 22. Ooh. We have something small. This one here is by the brand Sunday Riley. This is the Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. We have 8 grams of product. It is super tiny and cute with this packaging. And this is how much product we have. So if this one is a face product, this is a very small quantity that we get. 23 is here. And we have a product by Hourglass. This is the Veil Translucent Setting Powder. We have 2 grams of product. This is a mini size. The packaging is super pretty. Most probably I can do a video about setting powders because I like using them and I have a lot from the drugstore and also now high-end. Let me know if you are interested in a video like this one. Door number 24. This is the Fetish Eyes Mascara by the brand Pat McGrath Labs. I killed the name. And it looks like a full size. So this is the 3rd mascara in this advent calendar. Dun dun dun! I don't have a lot of products by this brand. Let me know if you have tried any products by the brand and what are your favorites. Let's continue with drawer 25 and we have here a beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I have never tried the mini palettes. And these are the beautiful colors. Okay, I thought I was smelling something. This color, sorry, is a little bit reddish. You can do something soft with the pink eyeshadows, and you can use also the liquid lipstick that we got in this advent calendar. Let me know if you want to see an eye look with this one, or maybe with all of the products of this advent calendar. I'm back! Moment of truth. I like the range of products for this advent calendar. We also have a lot of makeup products for the holidays. The only thing that I would say I don't like so much is that we have a lot of mini size products. Almost half of them are not in the original size, and for this reason I'm taking half a star. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.5 stars, which is the highest rating so far, and the overall value for this one is 312 euros, which is fantastic. And let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar. You can also find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!